Hi guys, I'm posting this video to discuss with you guys and let you know my thoughts about artificial general intelligence and singularity. So first of all, what actually is artificial general intelligence? So it's basically what it means as a human, whatever reasoning ability that we have and whatever cognitive abilities that we have, whether it's like our problem solving abilities, reasoning abilities, or you can say language understanding. So if a machine has that ability, and if we are able, as a human, we are able to replicate that intelligence in a machine, then that is what is referred as artificial general intelligence. So basically, you can say that it is an AI that possesses the ability to understand or learn, apply knowledge across all a wide range of tasks. Also, one more important thing is it will have the capability of autonomously learning from new experience and adapting to different situations. So it's not necessarily that okay, always we have to give them an explicit instruction like okay, do this and something like that. So the best thing about AGI is that it gets better with more experience, just like humans. So whenever we have a lot of data points with us, then we are able to better make the decision making, and we become wiser. So similar cases with AGI. So it with more data and with more every processing abilities, it will get better only, and it will be capable of autonomously doing anything. So, but coming to the point, like, okay, what exactly its difference from normal AI, or you can say narrow AI, and artificial general intelligence? So, the basic difference is that when we say a narrow AI, what we mean by that is that an AI which is specifically designed to uh, uh, basically it's a kind of AI which is specifically designed to created to basically for some specific task in general. Let's say if I'm creating an artificial intelligence based tool, and my whole purpose is just to uh, for let's say I want to check the grammar of any like of documents, like whatever document you are providing me, and my focus is just to check for the grammatically corrected, or let's say better edited. So we can call it as a narrow AI. So it can perform a specific task but not all the tasks. But AGI is like, it's more like a, in simple terms, it's like, but we are just enhancing an AI to an extent that it matches human intelligence, so it can perform a variety of tasks without being specifically programmed for them. So this was my an introduction on AGI, and now let's talk about what is singularity. So the reason why I'm talking about these topics, artificial general intelligence and singularity, is basically because you are going to hear a lot of it in next in coming years. Definitely you will hear a lot, because currently we are in the later phase of if in my opinion, obviously, we are in the later phase of artificial general intelligence. And in future, when it will be prevalent, you will see a lot of government discussion on it. And it will be most once we reach a good level of AGI, it will be just like, in my opinion, it will be just like a, a kind of a COVID. How COVID was so uh, aggressively discussed in our world, it will be like that only. Like, okay, we have achieved AGI, but what should we do it? Because along with the positive side, it will have a lot of negative side effect also. So that's why going forward, you're going to hear a lot of things about artificial general intelligence and singularity. So now coming to singularity, what exactly is singularity? So singularity is just a point, or let's say this terms basically says that okay, this is some point in the progressive line where the AI, artificial intelligence power, or let's say you can say the AI intelligence basically surpasses human intelligence. And after that, it becomes self-improving. Like you don't even need to bother about AGI or something like that. It will just improve. It will keep on improving. So it has reached that level. So let's it's more like a, okay, just like a human. So if you leave human in society, you will see that okay, every human has the ability to learn, basically seeing things, inferring things, making judgments, and everything. So singularity is that stage when AI suppresses human intelligence. Now, what exactly and how it is going to uh, achieve is basically again through the roots of AGI, and why we need to be cautious is the main point, because obviously imagine a future in which you will have a machine which can do all the task, and it can learn also on itself. And the craziest thing is that it can go out of your control. Then what will happen? Since because of this exponential technological advancement, it can have a very negative side effect on humanity, and it will be very difficult and very impossible for human beings to control the machine if it reaches the stage of singularity. So again, what so normal consequences of reaching the stage is obviously, which we can you can easily guess, is job displacement. But the main point is what will happen to the human society that we see it as a today. Like as of today, whatever our human society is, it will be a lot more different. So you will see that whole power structure will change of society. So now there is a certain society. If you see that okay, there are certain rules, certain ways government is acting in some way and everything, but obviously there will be power imbalances because most of the job will be replaced, and whoever will be controlling the artificial intelligence, or more to be precise AGI, will have a very large amount of power, and which is very dangerous. Assume, like, just imagine, like, most of the power of world will be in hands of you. It's applicable right now also, but again that proportion will also shrink. So right now, let's say if 20% of the world people control all the powers, majority of the power, then in future it's going to be 1% or maybe less than 1%. So which can be very dangerous, because world will be governed and ruled, and they will be the rule makers. So it's very like, I don't think so. It's very morally or dangerous, ethically also dangerous. And again, what is the correlation between AGI and singularity? Singularity is just a stage, and once what is the way to singularity is just via AGI. So once we are already working towards AGI, you can see the OpenAI company, how OpenAI is working towards singularity and AGI. So once we reach the AGI, which basically means that okay, we are reaching that singularity phase.